Hi, kids! Meet Zubu, the silly, fluffy monster who loves learning new things. Today, Zubu found a magical paint bucket. Uh-oh!
Ooh, what's in this squishy pot? Can I touch it? Ah! What just happened? Zubu, whoa! I'm red now?
That's right! Red like an apple! Or a fire truck!
Beep, beep! Zubu is the fastest red monster fire truck! Whoa! Now I'm blue!
Blue like the sky! Or a blueberry!
Tweet? Tweet? Zubu doesn't speak bird! Yippee! I'm so shiny!
Yellow like the sun! Or a squishy banana!
Oops! What? Ooh, purple! That's my favorite!
Purple like grapes! And just like you, Zubu!
I look grape-tastic! Huh? My grapes squeak? Now I'm orange, just like pumpkins!
And autumn leaves too!
Whee! Spinning leaf monster mode! Ah! Rainbow Zubu mode!
Let's say the colors with Zubu!
Red, blue, yellow, purple, orange, rainbow!
Great job, kids! You helped Zubu learn all his colors!
Thank you! That was the splashiest day ever! Bye-bye, kids! See you at the next paint party!
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zubu adventures!